Crypto rally stalls near $94,000 Bitcoin as bond turmoil spurs risk-off ahead of Federal Reserve. Fusaka Upgrade. Laser Digital. Journalist. Tanzeel Akhtar. Journalist. Tanzeel Akhtar. Part of the team since February 2018. About author. Tanzeel Akhtar has been reporting on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology since 2015. Her work has appeared in leading publications including The Wall Street Journal, Bloomberg, CoinDesk, Bitcoin. Has also written, "Crypto market consolidates as funds rotate to BTC and ETH after $2 billion liquidations." Wintermute. Tassat secures U.S. patent for yield in transit, on-chain settlement technology. BlackRock expands beyond $11 billion ETH fund with staked Ethereum ETF filing. Binance confirms employee suspended amid ongoing insider information investigation. Daniel Lee named CEO of Cactus Custody, strengthening its institutional digital asset platform. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 3 hours ago. The crypto market entered December with strong upward momentum, with Bitcoin climbing towards $94,000 and Ethereum nearing $3,250 by late last week, according to a research note from Laser Digital. The rally was fueled by two key catalysts. Strategy's purchase of roughly $960 million worth of BTC and anticipation around the Fusaka upgrade scheduled for December 3rd. However, as those factors passed, bullish sentiment evaporated. Prices quickly reversed during Friday's U.S. trading session, leading to aggressive selling. A small rebound emerged over the weekend, but sentiment failed to sustain into Monday, a pattern that Laser Digital notes has been typical behavior of the crypto market for the past few months. Bond yields hit multi-decade highs as policy expectations shift. Macro conditions added pressure across risk assets. Bond markets sold off across major economies, driven initially by Japan. The JGB 10-year yield breached 1.9%, a record level over the past 30 years. Laser Digital says that the move followed growing odds of a December rate hike by the Bank of Japan, coupled with concerns around increased issuance stemming from a larger-than-expected FY25 supplementary budget and the expected FY26 budget. Meanwhile, in the U.S., the 10-year Treasury climbed above 4.1%, with markets positioning ahead of the Federal Reserve's policy meeting. Expectations for a hawkish cut this week, a reduction accompanied by firm forward guidance, weighed on rate sentiment and risk appetite broadly. Markets split between equities and crypto. Gracie Chen, CEO at the Universal Exchange BitGet, said investors are behaving as if the Fed's rate decision has already been decided. According to CME Group's FedWatch, Fed funds futures bet on almost a 90% chance of a 25 BP cut, which makes sense, especially given inflation cooling and soft macro data. Interestingly, just a couple of weeks ago, the chance was below 40%. She notes a divergence in risk sentiment. The S&P 500 is up almost 17% this year and trades only about 4% below its October peak. Yet U.S. equity funds had $3.5 billion in outflows last week. While global funds added $7.90 billion, crypto, sadly, is much weaker. A rate cut could make BTC rise back toward $94,000 to $96,000. By contrast, a cautious move could send it into the $80,000 range again. Volatility builds ahead of central bank-heavy week. Laser Digital notes that options markets are pricing extra volatility ahead of the FOMC decision. The trading desk expects price action to be choppy this week and next, citing a dense calendar that includes the Fed on December 10th, the BOJ on December 19th, and two major labor reports in between. Market focus is centered on the Fed's updated summary of economic projections, SEP, dot plot, and the potential revision to the terminal rate path, both of which could reshape positioning into year-end. Volume cools, but event risk premium remains. Crypto volatility has eased back from recent peaks, though markets continue to price event risk meaningfully. BTC volumes are trading around the 45 vol handle and ETH around 70 vol, with December 11th event volatility marked at 56 V for BTC and 75 V for ETH. Laser Digital notes that spot vol correlation remains negative, a trend that has continued to materialize. With macro forces dominating and catalysts fading, markets appear braced for turbulence as central banks take center stage. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions, Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference, real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. Panic sets in as XRP drops again, but this signal says a massive bounce could be coming. Bitcoin price prediction. Bernstein says 4-year cycle is broken as institutions drive in. Elongated bull market raises 2026 target to $150k. XRP price prediction. Ripple CEO says Bitcoin will double by 2026. How high can XRP go? Exclusives. Daniel Lee named CEO of Cactus Custody, strengthening its institutional digital asset platform. 1 day ago, by Tanzeel Akhtar. Price analysis. Live Bitcoin price alert. September and October JOLTS data drops today. Will job openings shift Fed rate decision? For hours ago, by Anas Hassan. Price analysis. Leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Solana, Pepe by the end of 2025. 21 hours ago, by Ahmed Balaha. Best crypto to buy now in December 2025. Top crypto to invest in. For days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 6 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in December 2025. 22 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in December 2025. 22 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 10 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 22 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 7 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 12 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 19 hours ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 12 hours ago, by Ben Beto.